Hello, in this video I just wanted to quickly show you how to edit the website template in the free version of Canva. So I'm in the free version here. As you can see, I have a button here that says to try Canva Pro, so you know I'm not in the Canva Pro version. So I've removed the photos that were in here, so you can easily just go to your uploads and you can upload your own photos in here and then just drag them across. Or you can go to elements and you can go to photos and you can find some photos, some stock photos to put in here. The only thing is that in the free version, you've just got to be careful that they're not paid photos that you are grabbing to put in there. So yeah, that's just something to be aware of. So probably best to use your own or to grab them from like any of the free photo software places, download places. I can't even think of them off the top of my head. Unsplash, Pixabay or something. Okay, so you just update your details, just as simple as clicking in there, typing in your new information. When it comes to these buttons, all you have to do is click on it, and up here on these three little dots, just click on those, go to this paperclip looking link button, click on that. Then you can put a link to anywhere on the internet. So if you have a booking system that you want to direct people to so that they can book in a call with you, you just paste your link here, or you can link this button to different pages in your website. So if you've got different pages, you're probably best to, as you go through, just name these. So you've got like an about page, and then whenever you go to link, those page names would come up. So you can link in the document, like in the website itself, or you can do external internet links there with the buttons using that paperclip icon. So it's the same thing with all of them. So you just go in here and just link it there. You can also change the colors on your website. Just click in this background bit and change the colors over here. You can change the color of your text or the font. Drag and drop all your pictures. You can add more text in. You can move your text boxes around. You can drag and drop some documents in here. If you want more than one page for your portfolio, you just simply need to duplicate that page and just fiddle with that one. Same with any of the pages. If you want extras, you can just duplicate it, or you can add a page after it. Okay. Now with these icons at the bottom here, you can also link these to your social media, and it's the exact same process again. So you'd click on that one, go up to this link icon, paste in your Instagram link. Your Twitter link would be the same thing. Just click here, add it in, hit enter. Facebook again would be the same. Put it in here and hit enter. Now, if you have any different ones that you want to add in, you just simply go to elements, type in what you're looking for. So let's just say we want a Pinterest one. And then we're going to grab, say this one. See these ones with the crown? That means that you have to pay for them. So the free ones here don't have anything on them. So you can then just make that the same size, drag it down here, and then change the color up here to match the colors in your website. So just click on the color, and it should automatically bring up your document colors, and you can just click on the right one. And then again, you just link that by adding your link here and hitting enter. Okay, so that's basically all you need to do to update the website. Now, they're still rolling out the custom domains, and so I don't know if the free version has it, because when I click on publish as a website, I do get the option to do a scrolling website, classic navigation, standard, etc. But I'm not getting an option to put in a custom URL. So that I know that they are slowly rolling it out, and it should be rolled out by the end of this month, I thought. So might just be a couple of days away. So if we hit scrolling option and we hit open website, this is what your website would then look like. And you can test all the links and things once you have added them in. For any reason you can't get the like if your account isn't letting you do the custom URL as yet, just simply copy this URL at the top, because that will be your website URL, and then go to bit.ly. So if you go to bit.ly, oh, whoops, that came up with my shortcut. So if we go bit.ly, there we are. So if you were to go to bit.ly, you can make a shortened URL for yourself, and it's really simple. So all you need to do is set up an account. Then you just need to use this for a while, so just remind me. So you just go up here to create, and then you're going to paste in that long URL that we just had. Oh, stupid thing. So that long one goes here. You just put in Canva website, whatever reference you want to have for it. And then you just click create. So it's going to give you this customizable back half of a website. So then you can just put in your website name here and hit save. And then once you have saved it, you can copy the URL. So if I was to say Liz website here and then save, then I can now use this. I think this one is taken, but you know, if you were to find one that is, I think that one's probably taken too, yeah, two. No. No, doesn't like that either. Well, if you can put your back end in as happy dance 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe. Is that gonna work? No, that's taken too. You just have to find one that will work in there that you can use as the back end, and then save it, and then you can copy that URL of whatever you've got here, and that will be your shortened website, and it looks a lot more professional than having the long Canva one. And then once the Canva ones do finish rolling out, because they are in the beta version, so once they do finish rolling out, then you can do a customized one. Okay, so I hope that this helped you. If you have any questions at all, I'm more than happy to help, and I'll help you with anything that I possibly can. Okay, you have a great day, and yeah, if you need help with anything else, just let me know.